Yo, so I got a pair of Nike SB Dunk Lows, and I'm surprised how they even went under the radar. With that being said, we're gonna talk about it, man. Y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera, please. What's good, Camcorder Squad? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and of course, menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. All right, now today I have a pair of Nike SB Dunk Lows that I have been wanting for a while. Crazy part is, they went under the radar. I don't think it got that much buzz about it. I mean, it got a buzz about it because it's a dunk low, but I mean, like, it wasn't as big as I thought it would. But I'm talking about the Nike SB Dunk Low in an ACG Terra colorway. Alright, so like most dunks, of course, they retail for $100. Of course, they sold out. They're Nike dunks. I mean, what dunk don't sell out? But I mean, the buzz wasn't as big as most dunks was, like it would be with the Chunky Dunky, with the Strange Loves, with the Garden Dunks, and so many other dunks. And we have some basic dunks that have got more buzz than this particular dunk has. Now, like I said, it went for $100, but now it's going for about $350. Before we go any further, y'all already know how I gotta do it for y'all real quick, fam. Bam, 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 bam. All right, now for those who don't know about why this dunk is so special, is because Nike went all the way back to the 90s to dig into that vault to bring up this colorway. This colorway was actually inspired by the Nike Air ACG Terra that was created for a running trail sneaker. That's 30 years in the game, and it makes it so fire that they actually hit about 95% of what they did with the ACG Terra that they did back in the 90s. But I'll explain it real quick. Let's just jump right into this sneaker and define what's the difference between what's going on and why I think it's fire. Alright, now starting off, we already know the Dunk Low is completely different from this sneaker that you see right now. They're two completely different silhouettes, and I think this is a perfect silhouette for all different stages of fashion that you want, whether it's lifestyle, casual, streetwear. You could get away with a lot of different styles wearing this particular sneaker, but when you're talking about the 90s sneakers that they made, that's completely for running. That looks like what it looks like. Now, starting off with the outer sole and the midsole, you can tell at the bottom you have this all black, which is perfect for walking in the streets or anything. You can dirty it up as much as you want to, and it really won't change the color of the outer sole of your sneaker. And it has a little splash of that mustard yellow gold color that's down here. Now, when you get to the midsole, you'll see that it has splashes of black on here. Now, this is where that 95% comes in, because I think they didn't do what they did on that last Terra ACG sneaker that they made. Actually, on this dunk, it's just splashes of black on here, which I think is cool, but it has like this chocolate chip type of effect to me. It's not enough splash of black on here like they did with the ACG Terra, the Air ACG Terra that they did in the 90s. They had way more black paint that splattered on here. And I think if they would have done that, this would have been completely 100% fire for what they did, like remodeling this sneaker on a dunk. Now, as you move to the upper, you'll see 4 different colors on here. You'll see the black, purple, the red, and you'll see the mustard gold that's on here. I think this is completely fire. It's very unique. You won't see too many people wearing colors like this, so it makes you stand out a lot. Now, first thing that you will notice, of course, you're gonna see the bold colors first, but one thing that I want you all to notice is actually the suede that's on his sneaker. It got 2 different type of suede. On the swoosh, you will have a more rougher type of suede that's on here, and you will see it close to the shoestring holes as well. But when you get to the side panel, when you get to the black and the court purple that's on here, you'll see that it's a more smoother type of suede that's on here, which I really do enjoy. So not only are you switching up colors, you switching up material too. Next thing that's my favorite that's on here is the laces. They have this gold mustard lace which stands out. These are my favorite color type of laces to ever have when it comes to sneakers. Not only do they have this yellow type of mustard color, they also give it to you in this punch red type of color. And even on the inside of the sneaker, you'll see that it says Nike SB, the zoom era on the inside, and that's in red and that gold color that's on the inside, which I think is pretty fire. Now, all in all, with the update, I think it is on point. I will give this 7.5, 8 out of 10. I think this is a fire job that they did with this sneaker. Again, I don't know how it flew up under the radar like this. Like I said, it's very unique. It's not a lot of people that's wearing colors like this, and I think it's just really fire, especially seeing that the spring and the summertime is coming up. You can really finesse some real crazy colors with this. You can really stand out with it. And it doesn't have any crazy features like the chunky donkey and the strange loves. It doesn't even need that. It's already that fire with the crazy colors, and the fact that they dug up 30 years worth of history. You got some nostalgia on your feet right now, so while you walking, you're gonna be fire. I'm gonna get up out of here, man. I hope that entertained y'all enough and y'all got to see a new sneaker that I just added to my collection. Thank y'all for joining me. As always, I appreciate y'all 100. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me. I'm out. I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all, man. Peace.